Hey guys, it's me, Colleen, your favorite 31 gift gal. And today what I want to show you or give you is a review of our close to home table gallery. This is actually one of our, I would say 5 wood products from 31. So this is new. This how it actually came out this fall season. And it's actually pretty good. I've been getting a lot of good reviews, requests. So I thought of myself, why not actually record a video, show you guys what it's made of, the measurement. So I'm gonna show you guys the measurement and the picture measurement, the wood measurement, and a couple of different ways to personalize it, okay? So as you guys can see, it came, let me just show you a closer look. So this is how it looks like. Okay, here you go. So let's take a look at the mango wood first. Okay, so I'm going to take up the inserts. All right. So this is the mango wood. As you can see, it has a very nice engraving or personalization. Okay, wood, and this is how you would put in the pictures, how you insert the pictures. It has a really nice base, so has a little bit 31 information in here. Okay, made in India, wipe clean with dry cloth. It says in there, and some other information. So this is actually the base of this mango wood. Okay, so it has bases. Now, I'm looking at my computer too because I want to give you guys an accurate detail. So the gallery base is made of mango with iron details. So it is iron. This is all iron, as you guys can see, okay? All right, so let's take a look at the measurement. What does this measure in terms of width, height, and depth, okay? So let's take a look at the width, okay, the width of this. So in fact, with me, I brought a measuring tape just to see. So the width, it runs around, I would say 17 inches. So there you go. So let me show you really quick. Hope you guys can see this. So it's not, so you guys can see this. So it's around 17 inches right there, okay? And then for the height, it's around 2 inches. So 2.5 inches in height. Okay, so 17 inches in width, 2.5 inches in height. And then the other one, for the depth, so let's take a look at the depth. It's about 2 inches in depth too, okay? So I'm gonna, because this is a video recording, so let's see if I can accurately put in. All right, so there you go. So the exact measurement, guys, it's 2.25 inches in height. I'm looking at the details. 17 inches in length and 2 inches in depth. So that's the measurement of this. So you can personalize it, and in a minute I'm going to show you in my computer a couple of ways to personalize this wood, okay? Now, let's talk about inserts. So the inserts are actually iron. The photo inserts are made of iron, guys. So when you actually order this through 31 or through my website, it comes with iron. These are pretty heavy. They're very heavy, you guys, because they're made of iron. So I actually, you can do it on your computer. You can do it on your iPhone or tablet. So this is one of the picture I've chosen in my iPhone's picture, and then this is the back of it. Okay, so same thing. I have 3 with this one. Now the good news, guys. The good news about this photo inserts, so when you order this table gallery, it comes with 3, but I believe you can actually, if you choose, say for example, like for me, I'm already thinking changing it a bit for the holiday season. So guys, if you are interested to know what is the size of these pictures, they're 5 inches. They're 5 inches width, 5 inches in height. So those are the sizes of these pictures. 5 inches in length and 5 inches in height, okay? So next, what I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna actually have to pause this, and then in the next scene, I'm gonna go to my computer to show you how to decorate it or how to personalize it, okay? So let's do that. So everybody, I'm actually in the website right now. I'm going to be helping one of my customer order the close to home table gallery. So this is the website. If you want to visit, go to www.my31, let me put it a closer look, 31.com/Colleen Encarnacion, or if you put in mypurselife.com, it also brings you to the same site. So there's so many fun stuffs actually happening right now in the fall season, so you guys can check out the site. But in today's video, I want to show you how to order and personalize the close to home table gallery. So I'm just going to search. I'm going to go to the search. So like I said, we have a couple of products that are actually under the close to home. We have a tray, decor box, caddy, but I want the table gallery, so I'm going to click that. And as you can see, it's $58. So this is what you can actually, this is pretty cool. See how it has so many stars. So it gives, there's like 44 good reviews about this. So I encourage you guys to go ahead and then click for that to read the reviews. But anyway, so let's say, for example, I want to order this. Oh, by the way, you can zoom it, okay? You can go to the sidebar and take a look at some ideas. And look at these. These are so fun, right? Okay, so now, and then of course at the very bottom, it gives you some information like what we talked about. What is the base made of, right? Displays up to 3 photos. The inserts are made of iron. It has a protective pads. The monogramming is available. The gallery base and the photo inserts measurement are all in here. So let's take a look on how to order this. So if I click on personalize, click that, it's going to actually take me to the personalization. Now, 31 website has gotten better in terms of personalizing. So what you can do is just click on choose personalization. And at the very bottom, it's gonna, if you scroll, you can ask, it's gonna ask you to upload a photo. So the best way to do this, guys, is if you already chose pictures, I always save them in my desktop. Back to the personalization screen. It's gonna give me the first insert right here. All I have to do is go to choose personalization and then upload photo. Now, instead of me going to the photos that has a lot, since I save everything in my desktop, I can just click that and find that picture. So if I want this family picture, I can just click here and open. Okay, there you go, we got it. Perfect. And then it's gonna ask you if you wanna, what is this word? It says suggested. Suggested, sometimes what it does, it crops the photo so it fits if you want it, because sometimes you know how a photo, it's not a perfect square size of photo, so it's going to ask you to either keep the original, so this is the original, or right now it's already suggesting that it'll fit, so I have no problem. But sometimes you're going to see like a black background either at the top or on the side, and so if you say keep original, it's going to keep the dimension or the size of the photo, okay? But if you select suggested, it's actually going to crop the photo for you. So if I click on original, see, there's no difference, right? So let me go ahead, or you can do suggested and then you can crop it too, just like this. You can just drag those handles, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and click on suggested anyways, and then make sure you click on finished, right there. Okay, so now you have the first photo, and make sure you save to your cart. It's gonna ask you if you own the rights of the photo or you have reviewed the photo. Since it's mine, I would just want to add it to the cart. Okay. All right, see, now I'm gonna go to the third picture. So same exact thing. So if I would say original, it's gonna just keep it, and I cannot drag it to change the sizing or whatnot, okay? So same exact thing, scroll up and finished. All right, now I have the second picture right there, cool. And then I can save to the cart and then check I own the rights, I have reviewed, edit to cart. Okay, and now I'm in the third. Okay, all right, now I got all 3 pictures. Same thing, save and add to cart. Make sure you check the rights to your photo. I own the rights, I have reviewed, and add it to the cart. Now, after you pick 3 pictures, you're going to be able to design the wood, okay? So let's take a look. So if I go to choose personalization, I have different styles. Like this is called message, but each time you select, it actually shows you how it looks like. You see that? So message looks like this. All right, and then we have a tree message. This is perfect for the holidays, you guys. All right, tree message, just loading. Has a little bit of like a pine tree, and then this is where you're gonna put the text. You also have line 1. This is my favorite. The swirl, I think this is everybody's favorite. Okay, you also have banner. Banner's like my second favorite. There you go. And then you have the feather message, maybe my third, yeah. All right, perfect. So there you go. This one has leaves. All right, so we have 6. So all I have to do now is select what I want, which is the message swirl. It's right there. And then if I go scroll at the very bottom, don't forget to choose the text and the color. The color would always be, I would say black, so you don't have to worry. But now you can write a text. So say, for example, I will put happy place again, just like what I did. Okay. And then enter in my keyboard. And then what's going to do, it's actually going to change it. Perfect. There you go. Happy place, or, you know, your favorite quote. There's also certain character limit, so make sure you kind of play around with the personalization. Now, if you're not happy about this, you can just go up to the size and choose the personalization again. It will just bring you back to the same design choices, okay? So if I go to banner, I can just put the banner and then scroll down again. And let's say, for example, I want to put in my love. Maybe this is for my daughter. All lower cases too. And then enter. Oop. So now sometimes this happens. The following characters are not allowed. So maybe this has to be capital. Okay, so I would then capitalize it. You will see that. You know, when you're designing, you may see not allowed. Then you have to change it to a capital letter because it's all caps. There you go. Okay. Now you cannot put a logo like Nike, you know, Chevron, if you want to put Chevron, I don't know why. But anyways, yeah, you have to make it personalized, right? It won't allow some brand names or brand. Is there such thing as brand code? I don't know. But anyway, so that's it. And now I can just save and add to cart. Okay, let's take a look. Now, this is the price. So you get the close to home table gallery for $58, which is not bad at all. So there you go. And then an $8 personalization. So that total will go down to $66. Okay. There you go, you guys. So, yep. And you're ready. Now, remember, because you're spending $35, you can take advantage of the month special. So day changes every month. So I would take advantage of this because especially comes the holidays. If you order your close to home table gallery, you can get the specials and use it as a gift, right? So another ways to save. So guys, there you go. You saw the measurement of the close to home table gallery. You saw the sizing of the insert, what it's made of, and we also did the personalization. So I hope you guys will like it. Grab them now because they are getting sold really quickly. If you have any question about personalization, measurement, let me know. You can also check the website. And if you need some ideas for design, message me on Facebook or text me. If you guys are local, you might know my number. Email, text, Facebook Messenger me. I'm always available. Well, thank you for watching, you guys, and I really appreciate you always so supportive of me. If you don't know yet, I'm in Instagram. So check out my purse life. Follow me on Instagram. Let's connect together. Or if you want to look at product reviews, demos, go ahead and check out my purse life channel in YouTube. Okay? Thank you so much. Until the next review. Bye.